Hello everybody, welcome back to another video, and in this video I'm going to show you how to cancel your membership on YouTube. So the first thing you want to do is go into the top right hand corner and make sure you're logged into your channel, of course, and then if you look further down you'll see purchases and memberships. If you click on this, I do not have YouTube Premium, so I can't see anything here, but you'll see a membership section. So under that section you click YouTube Premium and then you select Manage Membership, deactivate, and then continue to cancel. And then you select the reason for leaving and then you confirm by clicking yes. And then that should cancel your membership at the end of your billing period. If this video helped, make sure to leave a like on the video and subscribe. Thanks for watching.